When you think of getting a massage, having your scalp massaged isn't the first thing you think of. Nonetheless, when you massage your scalp, your entire body relaxes almost instantly. If you're dealing with hair loss or thinning hair, a good scalp massage stimulates your hair follicles, allowing more blood flow and nutrients to fuel hair growth. There are many products available to choose scalp massagers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best scalp massagers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Electric Handheld Hair Massager. The Queen Wheel is a waterproof device with silicone conical nodes designed to penetrate through hair and reach your scalp, whether you're in the shower or dry. The difference is that the Queen Wheel massager is battery-powered and provides vibration to further stimulate your scalp, increase blood circulation and relieve tension. It takes an AA battery, which means its vibration loses intensity as the battery loses its charge. Instead of just vibrating, however, it has two modes for vibration, including regular vibration and pulses. The points of the nodes are too hard and painful for many first-time users, but you can adjust to them with time. Positive side of this product: vibrates. Conical nodes reach scalp through thick hair to stimulate follicles, waterproof for use in the shower or bath as a shampoo brush. Negative side of this product: loses vibration intensity as the battery loses its charge. Nodes feel too hard for some. Number 2. Brio Portable Mini Scalp Massager. The Brio Portable Mini Hair Scalp Massager is also waterproof, but it's electric, so you can get a more intense massage with less manual work. That said, there's a price difference between the heated massager and the Brio. It has a sleek aesthetic design with a charging base that makes it look like office desk decor. It's compact for portability and easy and comfortable to grip in your hand. The conical silicone nodes on this massager are similar to those on the heated shampoo brush, but the automatic massage programs are able to replicate relaxing massage techniques, including kneading, acupressure, rhythmic compression, longitudinal gliding, oscillating pressure and deep friction massage. Positive side of this product: elegant, office-friendly design, usable wet or dry, ergonomic grip, different scalp massage modes. Highly integrated and multifunctional button makes a delightful experience. Enjoy it now with your family. Magnetic charging connector provides a more convenient charging mode. It will support a week using. Fully sealed machine will provide you the safest using, so that you can use the product anywhere and anytime. Negative side of this product: expensive, only massages a small area at a time. Number 3. Latin Electric Scalp Massager. The Latin Electric Scalp Massager is a top-rated device with features similar to the Brio, but it's half its price and massages a larger surface area. By massaging more of your scalp at a time, the Latin can better induce full-body relaxation. You can also use it to massage your shoulders, the soles of your feet and any other part of your body. What makes the Latin really stand out is that it has 84 nodes that rotate clockwise and counterclockwise to stimulate the scalp. That's quite a bit more than you get from many scalp massagers, not to mention a set of masseuse's hands. It's waterproof, so you can even enjoy this amazing massage in the shower or bath. Number 4. Tesm Electric Head Massager. The Tesm Head and Neck Massager is an electric device that combines vibration with massage for an intense experience. With 5 prongs, it's able to push, pinch, rub and knead your scalp, while producing 8,500 micro vibrations per minute. You can use it on your neck, as well as your arms, legs or back, to relieve tension. The prongs don't move, so although it's an electric device, you still need to work the massager in order to achieve the feeling you're going for. The Tesm massager is battery operated, but instead of recharging it, you need to replace its batteries. The downside to this is that its vibration intensity weakens as the battery loses its charge over time. The grip of the device vibrates more than the actual prongs that touch your scalp, which may bother you. Unfortunately, it's not waterproof, so you can't use this scalp massager in the shower. Number 5. Tensu Electric Scalp Massager. The Tensu Scalp Massager has 6 different massage modes, and you don't have to worry about it losing intensity as the batteries die, because it has a rechargeable base you can place it in after each use. It also comes with a USB port cable you can use to charge it on the go. In fact, you can even use a universal smartphone charger to charge it. The main complaint some users have with this massager is that, in spite the fact that you can choose from so many different settings, the conical nodes can feel a little too hard for some people. In addition, some users have had some minor issues with charging the device. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.